I'm gonna moisturize it. Okay, so I decided to moisturize my hair in film. Show you guys a couple of things that I use that are my favorite. Some of the things that I use that are my favorite, I actually make. Like for instance, this. That is a mixture of cocoa butter, coconut oil, and shea butter, and then it has some essential oils in it. So I like to use that. I actually make it and use it all over my body. Another thing that I make is my hair tonic. This is made out of several oils. My base oil is always olive oil. I like to add vitamin E. And then I've been using this Do Grow and carrot oil. A couple other oils that I use that I don't have right now is I love to use jojoba oil. I actually put a written out recipe somewhere on the screen. And for the essential oil compound that I use with my mix, it's always lavender, rosemary, and cedarwood. Let me show you what I use for my shampoo and conditioner. This is what I'm currently using, and this is what I've been using for the longest time. This is from Trader Joe's. It has peppermint, tree tea, and eucalyptus in it. That I've added to my oil is a little bit of this. This is fenugreek seeds that we have grounded up in our coffee maker, and I like to put it in with the oil. It helps with the scalp, with hair growth. That's what I like to do. I always start off with a bottle of spray water bottle when I am styling my hair, so that's what I'll do now. Once I have my hair all sprayed and I feel like it's damp enough, then I will go in with this Cream of Nature argan oil leave-in conditioner. All right, then as per usual, I'm using the Wave Nouveau products, and this one is the moisturizing finishing lotion. I'm gonna use some of this, but before I do this, I'm gonna put on something that's a little bit heavier than that, and this is the Nourish and Strengthen Leave-In Conditioner by Suave Professionals. This is their natural line that just came out not too long ago. And so I like to go in. This is a little bit heavier than the Wave Nouveau moisturizer. Not by much. It's not much heavier. I don't know if you can see that. It's not much heavier than the other one, than the Wave Nouveau products. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this first. And I always keep my water bottle handy because I do use it several times throughout my styling process. Just if I feel like my hair is needs a spritz here or there, I'll use it. So usually when I'm doing my hair, I keep my spray bottle close by and I'll spray my hands and then I'll scrunch like this. It smells really good. One thing that I have found out about the Wave Nouveau having this curly perm is that it really likes water. It looks one way when it's wet, which isn't as curly as what it looks like when it's dry. It's more stretched when it's wet. I know I got a couple of comments about, you know, what happens to your hair. It looks like the curls have fallen. And yes, it doesn't look exactly the same as when I had it done in the salon. As far as like when I first got out of the chair, it's completely another way when it's dry. Like it's more curly when it's dry. It looks more curly, more wavy, more defined as it dries. So I don't fuss too much in the morning. The biggest thing that I am thinking about in the morning is making sure that that my whole head is well moisturized. Just scrunching it. Some of the pros that I like is that you can actually see the length of my hair now, because before it was like dealing with so much shrinkage. With this hairstyle, I do the same thing every morning. This is my typical morning routine. Every day is the same. The hair looks the same. It looks just as great every day. So this is my oil blend that I was talking about that I make. And what I do with this is, first usually what I do is go down my center part. So what I do is I take this and I'll just go quickly around my hair, in the back, on the sides, and I'll just oil my scalp. And then I'll put some in my hands, about a quarter size amount, and focus on my ends. Massage my scalp so I can get that oil that I drizzled all around my head. You want to get that oil moving around so that it's evenly distributed. And this movement right here, this massaging, this is going to activate those follicles at the scalp and help with hair growth. And that's it. That's what I do. And this is how the back of the hair looks. It becomes even more curly and more wavy when it dries. Thank you again for watching. Bye. So this is a little while later. This is how my hair is looking.